Okay, then we need to remove these cables. Okay, this is the generator board. It also has a label here. Okay, let's put it here. When you remove the generator board, so it is very easy to remove. This is the connection board. You just push it here, and then we can take out. This is the connection board. Okay, we are going to. This is the main board of the 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter. This is the main board. Okay, now we are going to remove this. We are going to take out this main board from the heat sink. Before we remove it, we need to take out these screws. Now we need to use another demonstration tool. This one is 10 millimeters. Okay. Okay, we will remove this cable. This one is the current sensor. It is used to measure the battery current. And this one is the fuse. For the battery side fuse. Okay, let's remove all the cables here.